So here are some common greetings that we can sign in ASL. So there's a few that we can go through. Number one is hello. Our second one is going to be one that we use mainly just to get someone's attention. Perhaps they're across the room from us and they're not looking directly at us. This word is hey. All it is basically waving your hand. Our third greeting is what's up. So let's talk about some introduction phrases that you can use when you meet someone who uses sign language. First, my name is. So we don't have a sign for the word is, so it's just going to be my name. My name. So you're taking the hand shape of the letter H. One is going directly on top of the other and tapped twice. Name. My name, and then you finger spell your name. So for example, another introductory phrase that you can use is nice to meet you. The way we're going to learn this is nice, nice. Your dominant hand is on the top, sliding across, nice. And then meet you is going to be one entire sign. So one finger, your dominant index finger, is going to go close to you, one directly in front of you. This is representing you and the individual you're talking to. You is going to move forward like you are meeting the person. So that's nice to meet you. Our third phrase is going to be I am learning sign. This is a great phrase to use in your introduction so that whoever you're speaking to is aware that you're not deaf yourself and that you are still learning. So they'll slow down and be patient with you and your signing. So this is I am learning sign. I, pointing to yourself. Learn. It's like you're taking information from a book and putting it into your head. And then sign. I'm learning sign. So when you're saying goodbye, here are some good signs and phrases to know. First, goodbye would just be waving. Goodbye. See you later is another great one to know, and it's one used commonly in the deaf community. See, and then it moves to an L. This is a deaf sign because on their own this does not mean see and later, but together it's one whole phrase. See later. See you later. Our last one is going to be take care. So you're going to make two Ks, dominant goes on top, tap twice. Take care. Take care.